Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create a Facebook group on PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and then you want to create your Facebook group, so let's see how can you do that. So you just have to simply open your browser. Now here, just open Facebook. Now once you are in Facebook, you might see a group icon here or the middle preference. Once you see here, you can see that the groups option, or you can also find it in your left side. Just click on groups, and here you'll see all the groups you have or you are added in which. Or if you want to create a new group, so just click on create new group option over here. Just click on this, and now you have to create a new group. You just have to enter your group name. So let's say I'm gonna enter here the name. Once I've entered name, you can select privacy. So you can make a public group or you can also make a private group. So I'm gonna create this public, just select public here, and you can also invite your friends. So I'm gonna invite this one here, then click on create. So just click on create option here and your Facebook group will be created. You just have to wait for some moments. And after that, you might see your group info page. You can also add a photo to your group if you want to, or you can also edit group info like name. You can add different members, and you can easily add a group post here. You can also create an anonymous group if you want to, or you can create poll from this side, or you can also invite people to join your group. So in this way, you can easily create a Facebook group on your PC or on your laptop. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.